Hey guys, me and Alex are back with round 2 of Australian candy tasting.
Yeah, this is where we try and redeem ourselves
I
for the first one.
I was going to say, I wondered if you were going to say anything.
And we're not going to mention pudding on because you don't do that.
But I was going to say, is it acceptable if we do that sentence but replace shrimp with prawn?
No, because they don't put them on barbecues. But there is someone who's Australian who works at our management. So now we know they definitely say you.
So we just want to shout out to Louis.
Yeah.
Hey Louis.
Shout out to Louis.
This one is slightly different from our first one because we were sent a subscription box, weren't we?
Yeah.
Whereas this is from a wonderful subscriber.
Oh, Down Under or something.
Yeah, Down Under.
Don't do that.
I'm not going to do any accent.
Don't do it, you've already done it.
Down Under.
We've learned Australians don't like it if you try their accent.
First box we received was a subscription box, whereas this time it's from a lovely subscriber called Lucy.
Yeah, and if you haven't seen that video, please don't watch it if you're Australian. With a
and do you know what
note.
it says on here? Various lollies, because we've learned since that lollies are Australian word for candies and sweets.
Sweets, yeah.
And they say chips from Woolworths, Sydney, Australia.
Or as Louis called it, I'm not going to do the accent, Woolies.
Woolies, yeah.
Woolies.
Now we used to have Woolworths here in England, but I think it was different, don't you agree?
I think it's a different company.
I agree, yeah.
She says, hey guys, I absolutely love your channel and I wanted to send you some of my favourite foods in Australia. I hope you enjoy all of this food that I have sent you. Love, Lucy, all the way from Sydney.
Woo!
Go on, Sydney. P.S. Kate, you're so pretty.
Oh, thank you, Lucy.
What?
That's... P.S. Oh wait, there's nothing for Alex.
What? Lucy? How could you do this to me?
Beauty never fades. Anyway, Lucy and I have been messaging on Instagram and she actually asked. That's probably why she gave me
you get a little PS, you're so pretty, and also you've been DMing her.
Yeah. Anyway, she asked was there anything in particular I wanted to try, and I can see one of the things I want to try is first in the bag. Pods, not coffee pods.
Oh, I was gonna say, these Mars hot chocolate coffee pods.
These look incredible. So I'm really excited to try these because apparently these are something you have to try.
Oh, they smell like Australia.
Do they?
I've never been.
Neither. Oh my word! They're not the material. It's like wafery.
They're a lot flatter, aren't they?
They're like wafer.
Cheers.
Cheers. So much harder than I thought.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh wow. Just like
I'm getting that Mars flavour, but with a bit of crunch.
Oh, did you actually get the Mars flavour? The outside is almost like an ice cream cone. And then it's like a little pod, like a little dish. Got a little bit of caramel, and then the Mars chocolate on top. It's
really
like
good.
a Mars chocolate button.
I don't want to eat anymore, but that's so good.
What are you gonna give those?
I think a 9. They're not the best thing I've had, but it's so good.
But the more you eat, they're really good. So I would say a 9 as well. Let us know if you're from Australia, what part of Australia you are from,
But they're kind of fun to share,
and
aren't
if you've had any of these snacks before, let us know. We have some chips.
Some chips.
We've got 3 bags.
I wonder when we'll get the lollies.
Okay, I feel like we tried this brand in
New Zealand one.
New Zealand. These are called burger rings, but they don't have the penguin on.
And they don't taste like burger.
They definitely don't taste like burger, but we'll try these, see if these are different.
Cheetos cheese and bacon balls.
Cheese and bacon balls. And these are Ajita's veggie chips. Now, Louis actually said these are really underestimated.
Really?
Is that the word?
Chicken style.
He was saying these are really good. Are they different?
I swear these have more flavour.
Well, maybe they're a different brand.
Not burger, it's exactly the same packaging. These have so much more flavour.
They're different. They're so much... The other ones were too airy, weren't
These taste good.
they? They're nice.
Still don't taste like a burger. Maybe they taste like burger sauce, you know? Like tomato and mustard mix.
They really do... Hold on. Please let me know. Are these called burger rings? Because they're onion rings and you put onion rings on burgers.
Oh,
Are they
that's
not
why
meant
they're
to taste like
onion
burger?
rings, they're onion.
Because they taste like onion, and is this like... Do you imagine put this on your burger?
But the problem was the last ones we had didn't taste like onion.
No. They're so much better.
So good.
Shall we score after we've eaten all 3?
Right. Have you ever had a Cheeto ball before?
I think so, but not from America. Very bacony.
Not even bacony, like. This doesn't taste like bacon flavour.
No.
It tastes like our bacon, you know, because our bacon's a lot fattier.
These are nice though, but I would
It's giving me
probably
some weird
rather
flashbacks.
just get
Cheese ones.
Cheetos. They are good though.
Very good.
I can't get over those burger rings. But there is something about the Cheeto shape
Yeah.
and the puffs. So far,
It's like in America, you know, they have those big tubs. You've seen them, haven't they? Big plastic tubs
Oh,
of
yeah.
Cheeto balls.
they're
I don't think
amazing.
they're actually made by Cheetos.
No, I wish Cheetos did do that though. These are not what I was expecting. They're like puff,
Puff.
made in Australia.
Cheers.
Cheers. So these must be local.
And these say vegan friendly. We're vegan friendly, aren't we?
We're like Venetia.
You know, we're friendly to vegans.
Do you know what these taste like? You know, like stock
Really good.
cubes.
Yeah. It reminds me more of the stuffing we used to have with chicken.
That's it.
They're
Stuffing.
like kind of herby.
I think it's because Mum used to put the stock in that as well.
Like herby, isn't it? These are really good though.
That's
When
why
I was in Australia, I'd be getting one of these.
Herbie. Right, what order?
King,
Really?
10 out of 10. 9 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
This time, I think these are my winners.
Really?
I wouldn't say 10 out of 10. I'd say like a 9. Then I'd say these are an 8, and then these are a 7.
So good. You know when you're just
Chip
like,
round
I'm not going to
complete.
eat too much.
I
But
know.
they were so good.
We got 3 chocolate things. We were also talking, and I asked, would I be able to try a violet crumble?
What's a violet crumble? Sounds
An
like a character.
Australian version.
Sounds like a character out of Willy Wonka's Chocolate Factory.
It does actually. An Australian version of a crunchy. However, a violet crumble is bigger,
It's much longer.
much larger. So this is by the brand Nestle, and it's 50 grams. That's quite a big chocolate bar.
You say Nestle like no one's ever heard of it before.
This is by the brand Nestle. No, I'm just meaning because ours is Cadbury's.
Yeah. Right, cheers.
Much paler in the centre. It looks more dense, doesn't it?
It is.
Delicious.
That's so good.
That crunch in the middle is amazing. It almost tastes, while you're eating it, exactly like ours, doesn't it? But then at the end...
It goes like softer. It almost gets the moisture, whereas ours has got bigger holes in.
Yeah.
So it stays more separate.
The flavour at the end is definitely different. The chocolate's definitely different. I personally think honeycomb in any chocolate bar is delicious. Why is there not more? So these are called fizzers. So we've got normal fizzers, but then we do have one sour one. Sour strawberry flavoured,
And cream soda.
normal flavoured, and cream soda.
And grape flavoured.
And grape. That you expect that from more America.
Yeah.
We don't have grape. So Australia must have grape then. But cream soda, I've never tried cream soda candy before.
Strawberry sour.
Yeah, should we try strawberry sour cream soda?
Yeah, I reckon so. See, this is why this isn't the kind of thing I would just generally get, because
Bit of a nightmare getting it
all
out.
this messing around with it being all sticky and that. Oh,
This one's not as hard. This is the most interesting flavour I've ever had.
with the sour bits in the middle.
Tell me what you think flavour that is. That's a great sour bit. Sour flavour. Ooh.
See what you mean about the cream soda.
Taste it.
That screams
Whoa!
cream soda to me.
That's sour. Wow. The strawberry flavour's great on that. The sour is intense. It's in like little bits of sherbet.
I just don't like things that feel like they're going to pull my teeth out.
Or do a little bit. That flavour is delicious. I'm guessing that flavour's the same for the normal strawberry. It's by the make Beacon. I feel like I've heard of that.
Beacon, yeah.
I'd say they're good sweets. They're quite chewy though, so it depends what you're into. I would give those like a good solid 9.
I'd give those a good solid 5.
Really?
Yeah, I'll just...
No, they were really good. Well, the flavours The cream soda, not so much. Actually, what am I saying? It should probably only be an 8. For that, sour is delicious. Okay, moving on to mint. Not my greatest
And
excitement.
again, a mint patty, but we'd never
But we
had
did
a
try,
mint patty.
yeah, and now we've had 2
This
in a
is
short
much
space
smaller
of
though,
time.
isn't it?
And this is by the brand Nestle again. A
Nice.
chilled out choc mint flavoured straw. I
Do you wanna
just
try
wish
this
this
first?
wasn't a straw, wasn't mint. Oh, it's almost exactly the same, isn't it?
Straw. So what are you going to have that with?
This is much chewier than the one we had from Mike's box.
Really chewy. Almost like a peppermint toffee.
The mint is not as strong, but it's nice. It's a nice mint. You get that cooling sensation again.
I like it when they're really soft though, more like a cream. Do we have anything like this here?
We do. Well, we definitely did.
Oh. I thought the whole straw was going to be like it just melts slowly.
So they're like, no, so you suck it, there's more mint balls in there than chocolate. The flavour is immediate.
Is it?
That is so funny. We'll have to get Holly to try that. I actually really quite like that. Although what I don't like is every time I suck up, it like gets in my mouth. Oh, that's gone strong though.
Because all the things go up the other way, don't they?
Now that's really minty. Because there's a lot of pressure in there, it's so strong now.
Is it hard to suck through?
Now it's really hard to suck through, so the flavour is so strong. If that was strawberry, I think I'd love that.
It's just, to me it seems odd having mint and milk.
I think that's a really good concept. I think that's a really good quality straw there. But if that was strawberry,
The only thing is it's plastic.
It's plastic.
I wonder how this company's doing because everyone's gone crazy for plastic straws.
That's very true. Those straw things probably aren't doing very well anymore.
No.
It's nice, but now it's a bit too strong in mint. If you love mint, give that a go.
Choquito, chewy caramel fudge, crunchy balls, and loads of chocolate.
And it literally says rip into it. Should I grab one side, you grab the other?
Yeah, maybe. Rip into it. Rip into it. Rip into it.
Whoa! It's like a chocolate bar within a chocolate bar, look.
Oh yeah. That is weird.
You're gonna love that.
That is really good.
I thought for some reason there was gonna be peanuts in there.
Did I read peanuts?
No, but you know, like the lumps, you just think, this is absolutely delicious.
Wouldn't that do well in England? Why don't they bring that to England?
I think this would do so well. It kind of reminds me of a Boost bar.
I don't get that whole rip it open thing though. That's
No, I think that's up there with one of my favourite chocolate bars.
Really? Not good.
10 out of 10 for that.
Oh.
That was really good. If you find a Choquito, get one. Crispy. Choquito, what did I say?
Chiquitos.
Chiquitos.
Yeah,
that's the square.
not the Mexican style
I think
restaurant.
those are closing down.
They are.
Choquito is delicious. It's almost like a 100-gram bar. It's almost like a toffee crisp. You've got some fudgy bit in the middle, then chocolate, and then you've got milk chocolate Rice Krispies around the edge.
Do you know where this is made?
Isn't that good? No.
Korea.
Korea?
How funny is that? 7 sour strawberry flavour.
Sour.
Cheese.
I feel like Louis said this is good.
Oh, are these not? We thought these were like bubblegum.
Oh, are they not?
Well, it doesn't say anything about bubblegum. It just says chews.
Oh yeah, it does look like a chew.
Don't say don't ever do
rather
anything
than...
for you.
Whereas a packet like this, you'd expect
it's so
it to be
flat.
bubblegum.
I've never seen anything that's a chew be so flat. Cheers, Dingo. Oh, it is a little bit sour.
These taste like almost like our strawberry chewits.
Mine just went into overdrive now.
Oh.
Yeah, but more sour.
Oh yeah.
That's good though.
It's surprising that flavour has got no fruit extract in because it does taste quite
yeah, but because it's so sour, maybe it's more artificial.
But they're really nice. But it's so weird how flat they are.
What was the last thing we just ate?
Yes.
Oh, Choquito. Did we give it a rating?
I gave it a 10. I was still talking, but you on to the Korea.
Sorry. Yeah, I give the Choquito a 10.
A 10. These, in terms of sweets, are really up there. I'd say 9 on the sweet scale.
I'd give these a 7.
But really, out of all of this, it's probably only a 7.
Yeah.
But sweet scale, they're really good. It's got a good chew, but not too sore and like sticky in the teeth.
They're a bit too stuck in the teeth for me and a bit too tangy.
Well, I didn't think they stuck in my teeth, but they were really chewy.
I was going to say, have you only got one?
My teeth.
Just in my tooth. My one tooth.
My tooth.
It got stuck in my one tooth.
Do you know what? That was a really good bag of goodies,
Selection,
wasn't it?
Yeah.
We got 3 chips in there.
Yeah. Oh,
good,
I forgot.
Bit of,
these were so good at the beginning, weren't they?
Got a nice bit of sweets in there, candy, and then
great selection.
some chocolate. Read on the back. Does it explain what the base is?
It says crunchy baked wafer that ingeniously shaped like a shell.
Thank you so much, Lucy, for sending us that bag of goodies. We have already sent you some British candy, which she actually messaged today to say they
amazing.
arrived. So I hope you enjoy them.
Yeah, cheers, Lucy, and he'll probably keep talking to Kate and not
Ignoring
me.
you.
So it's okay.
Thank you, Lucy.
It's one of those things you just have to get on with it, don't you? You know.
Thank you, Lucy, for sending that. We hope you enjoy our British candy. If anyone else wants to try some of our British candy, don't forget to check the description box down below. We'll leave a link so you can go buy some yourself.
Yeah, and if you don't want to buy any British candy, you can also support us by visiting Patreon, which we'll link down below as well. And that's just a way we give some extra stuff over there. Everything stays the same here, but it just allows you, if you want to help support us.
Yeah, but we hope you enjoyed that video. Did you enjoy that video?
I very much enjoyed it. Did you?
I really did enjoy that. That was delicious. Not too many so we feel like sick. I feel good after that. That was really nice.
It was a good amount.
Really good amount. We really hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to let us know down below if you've tried any of these goodies or if you're from Australia. We'll see you soon. Bye, guys.
See ya.